Man, look at them. They are just taking this thing off. They are scooping this thing off. They are scooping it off.
Tanker drivers. There's what is called enlarged containerized flatbed cargo. The tanker is supposed to be lashed, but I think I found out that the tanker carrying the fuel was not properly lashed. So when it got to a small port, it fell off. And when it fell off, scavengers started scooping fuel. And another tanker came to see if he can transload the fuel. I think that is what led to the large casualties we were
petrol tanker in central Nigeria. At least 70 people died in an explosion here in the early hours of Saturday morning. Nearly all the victims were locals who'd rushed to collect the fuel that spilled when the tanker overturned. The Federal Road Safety Corps says most of them were burnt beyond recognition.
This still happened early in the morning. It happened.
This thing happened early in the morning. It happened that people were scooping the fuel from the tanker. They finished scooping the fuel and they brought a generator to use in transloading the fuel into another tanker. And when they started the generator, the explosion happened.
When they started the generator, that is when the explosion just started.